Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the background from images in PowerPoint. So remove the background from images. Well, watch this video till the very end to find how you can achieve this. And now let's start the first step, which I'm gonna go here to insert picture, stock images, and here I'm just gonna grab an image to remove the background from. I'm gonna show you two situations. I'm gonna add this background, this image here. For this one, it's gonna be easier to add to remove the background, but for others, you're gonna have a hard time. Not a hard time, but it's just a little bit more complicated. So for this stock image, for this one here, let's click on insert. Now to remove the background, what you have to do is to click on here on color and then set transparency color. Now just select the background you want to remove, and now we remove the background, but there's some problems here. When you make sure you have there's like just one color. If there is actually some other colors and the color is not one color, there's some gradient, then you're gonna have this result. So yeah, it's not what you want. So we have to use for this image, we have to use actually method number 4 to method number second method to remove background, which is this one here. Click on background remove, and here we mark areas to mark areas to keep. Well, we want this part, of course, and now mark areas to remove. Of course, we want to remove this part, and then here just click on keep changes. And now we don't have any background, format background, and here click on gradient and add some simple gradient here. And now if you want to add some outline here in shadow, in glow, and here make sure increase this, and I'm gonna add so here transparency, decrease transparency, but just increase blur, not a blur but the size, and here transparency 0. Now we have also outline, and we remove the background. So I hope you found this helpful, and if you try to go also here in line, in other solid line, well, this is not going to work. That's why I used the second method. That's why I used glow here. So, and as well, you can create this. If you increase the size and decrease the transparency, you can create this effect. I don't know, maybe you'll find this helpful, this effect, but yeah. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.